In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload receipts to Xero accounting software in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Xero or just want to improve how you manage your business expenses, this guide will help you stay organized and keep your financial records accurate. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a plus icon. This is where you can quickly add new transactions. Click on it to continue. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From here, select Spend Money. This option is used whenever you're recording an expense and attaching a receipt to it. Next, you'll need to choose the correct bank account that was used for the payment. This step is very important because it ensures your expense is recorded in the right place, helping your reports stay accurate and reliable. Once you've selected the bank account, you'll move on to entering the transaction details. Fill in important information such as the date, supplier or vendor name, and the amount spent. Make sure everything matches your receipt exactly because accurate data entry is key to proper bookkeeping. Now comes the main step, uploading the receipt. Look for the File Upload option on the screen. Click on it and then browse your computer to find the receipt file you want to attach. Once you locate it, upload it into Xero. After uploading, take a moment to review everything. You can also add extra notes or categorize the expense if needed. This helps you keep your records even more organized and makes it easier when reviewing transactions later. Finally, once everything looks correct, click either Save or Approve, depending on your user permissions. This will store the transaction and attach the receipt securely in your system. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a receipt in Xero. Your expenses are now properly recorded, helping you maintain clean, organized, and accurate financial records. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.